Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sami channel. And today I have something really exciting to show you. Are you ready? Da 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 da! Xshuai Smart Sweeping Robot. We know that Xiaomi has a robot vacuum that costs around $400, but this one costs you only $100. So what is inside? Let's just check it out. Check out! We just put this to the side. English manual. Brush. What's this? This is not for your hair, man. This is for clear out the rubbish. This is for charging. That's it. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen. To sum up, these are all included in the package. Basically, we got nearly every accessory you need for a robot vacuum. On top, we got the air receiver, function button, volume buttons, optical window, and the dust box button. Move to the side, we got two sensors window, a HD camera, and the charging electrodes below. Beyond that, we also got a power switch and a charging jack, a QR code for connecting the app, and of course, the dust box. At the bottom, we got the mop if you've installed that, a middle bristle brush, and a middle rub brush, 3 wheels, one side brush, ground detection sensor soil. Overall, this extra robot cleaner feels rugged and durable. Why not test how it works? To make it work, simply switch on the power button. You will see the indicator on function button lights up. Wait for about 30 seconds, you will hear 2 beeps, and then press the function button. It will start to clean. It's amazing, it won't fall off. Who would use it to clean table? Let's just put it down on the floor. First, I'd like to show you how to connect to the extra app. It's heaps of fun. Download the Haier app from Google Play or App Store. I don't know why it shows Xiaomi when you install the app. Register if you don't have an account before. Add a device. Choose the sweeping robot. You can either scan QR code at the vacuum or manually input the code. Input your Wi-Fi password. Get a QR code and turn on Xshuai. At 1 beep, scan QR code, and when you hear this means connecting is successful. We have 3 clean modes, as you can see from the left up corner. Z-type clean mode, sport mode, and age mode. Yeah, I'm showing you a little bit of what's inside. You can even schedule the clean time. The most interesting part about the app is you can use it as a remote control toy. Check it out. That's interesting. The last step is to clean itself. Press the dust box button to take out the dust box. Also the mid-breast brush. If it has too much hair on it, then you have to use the cleaning brush. Be careful, don't use water to wash them, except the beer. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the Xshuai's cleaning performance relative to its price. It does its clean job as long as you clear out all the big trash first, put away big obstacles like your sticks, trigger, random shoes, and you mess away. It goes places that you cannot easily reach, and you can even use it as some sort of toy. Until next video, I'm Sami. Stay tuned.